wasn't that bad! It looks like we're in a jungle.
This is all hair! It's here to keep pollen like me, and plus other things like dust particles, out of your nose, or it won't work! Oh, it's fun to be irritating!
Will this cause a sneeze?
I hope so! Ooh! Now a tissue's coming for us! Run! All right! They're really bothering this nose now! Tickle more!
Is a sneeze coming?
It is! Na 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 na!